Do it again. Come on, do it again.
Do it again.
You heard
Do it again.
I don't know how to get hold of him. You need him for something?
Do it again.
Hell no.
Get up and do it again, Pumpkin.
Do it again. Do it again.
This bitch put a knife through it last night. Veronica Martinez.
Do
I
it
think that's her
again.
real name. That's that woman you were in that DVD
Do
with.
it
I
again.
mean, she's a snake when it comes to business. She's absolutely... I mean, really on edge. I got a feeling she's going to try to hurt her.
Oh my
I'm not sure what
God.
to
Do it again, Pumpkin. Do it again.
Well, I know what
Let's see.
JR
Do it again.
What's that? Well, first off, is get more
gonna fall.
security around the
Never mind.
ranch.
Do it again.
No, over here. Over here.
It's about looking after her place.
Over here. Over here.
Let me pay this little gal.
Over here. Come here.
Do it again. Do it again.
That ain't no step for a stepper.
Let Granddaddy see your horse.
I'm a regular bloodhound.
Do it again.
Email me that photo.
Don't give it to me.
Emma. Emma, come here.
These just came.
Do it again. Let me see. Do it
These
again.
Emma. Smile. Emma.
Emma, look. Emma, look.
This place always goes off.